Niggas out here wait. How long these hoes hate? Why the fuck the masturbate and still fading? I took at the look at the judge and saw Satan. Why's this bitch misbehaving? You a badass bumblebee and I'm a ogo tree. Why the fuck you haters mad at me? YT on the D. How else you haters gon' see me? Live in 3D. Looking like a motherfucker born for TV. And that's the real to success. Rubbing on my mama titties and sucking on her breasts. Giving up none less. God bless. I like to see you do your best. That's a problem for a child, cause I was living wild. The police say I'm out here foul. Man, they wanna take a nigga life from me, cause I'm worth more than what you see on TV. How's this possibly? Y'all love what y'all see? Do y'all love what y'all see? Westside MVP. Tell me what you want. Tell me, is the honey not good enough for you, baby? Now, what's the reality of religion? Putting your ass in hell. So when you go to the justice system, you know right there in the Old and New Testament, it says, I read what they love the most, the New and the Old Testament. In the Old Testament, it cursed in the name of the Most High Judge. So this is what it gave the people encouragement to do. The people was the Christians and the court of law, the police and the judge. It say, you do evil, evil will be done to you. If you trickery will be done to you. It says, since you did these things, it's gonna be done to you. It says, since you lied, you will be lied to. And it went down the list. Now, what does this give the police the legal right to do under the court of law? Under the court of Christianity? Lie on you. Trick you. Steal from you. Look it right there in the Old Testament. That's what the words of their Most High said to them, to do to us. So when it's done, if you ever look at the judge or your police or anybody in DCF office and they lying and you want to call them as a Hebrew or Indian or African, and you look at this person, you say you a lying bitch. They not, they just Christians. They reading out their Bible. They do it to you as you don't know what they was telling you. You not the Christians right now. You are the other people. You the ones about to be cursed. Yeah, you the cursed people. You the C word. Like Stanley Tookie Williams, peace be upon all things in his ear to my ear. From his mouth to my mouth. From his hands to my hands. Peace be upon all the Raymond Lee Washingtons that's right now walking. Peace be from their kneecaps to my kneecaps. We took the 6 and made you love God, made you love Allah within yourself as what they call a black bitch or a beast. We made you love yourself as colorful, articulate, creative, careful, and that's why I love these brothers. Back to the word, back to the church that y'all love. Give it up for the church and the word of the devilish sacrifices. The devil said, or no, what's this? Who do they call their God? What is their God name in the Christian book? In the Holy Bible? they practice Yahweh, Jehovah, Elohim? What name? Because if I'm looking at you, I should even just know already. Why do I gotta guess? You can look at a Muslim and first thing you know is Allah, Prophet Muhammad said Jesus Christ ain't the son of God, and then they run it down to you. The crucifixic lips. But Tupac loved them. Tupac loved y'all. You know? Hey. Give him the finger. You know I've been searching for someone. Look at these devils. They speeding to cut me off. So what he gonna do? So this is what's going on, drag racing. Through the police department, Miami-Dade County. Drag racing through the streets. You know we've been searching for someone to make you happy and get the job done. You said you needed a man with money, but if I be there for you, will you still care? Hey baby, are you lonely? I bet you they got an FBI agent on each one of those, going each way, just waiting, plotting on the day. Come on, check them out. If y'all need y'all self-storage, some diamonds or something, go ahead, store all your Gucci, Louis, Fendi, Benny, Poonie, Teeny, Tata, right on up in here. So I can see it right there. They run around like the rabbit got the gun. Listen, y'all, I know y'all love y'all Jesus Christ, but is that where you in? Is that where you in? I think y'all imagery in 2020 need to wake up to 2020 version of that picture. I mean, the banjo player Bob Marley once said, Kumba Matata and Kumbaya. I notice how the Weather Channel speak dastardly upon weather that affects they fright system, they fear system. They call it, they make the weather look evil when it's a hurricane or a tornado, or they always say it's horrible what happened to the city it ran through. No, what's horrible is the city not being happy about the permissions of Allah showing you comment everyday sense. Hey, the permissions of Allah showing me comment everyday single sense. Since it was a day with common sense. What's up? What's up? You! Now they got yelled at. Now they sitting their ass down somewhere. Keep on up. Alright, y'all, back to y'all. We at the sports bar, lounge, chilling, illin', like a villain. Making the 64 pop that pillin'. My baby mamas and they children's in they feelings. Who is my first baby mama? My grandma. She was a good 100 baby mama. She had 17 tribes in East Oakland. Going through the bait. Came through the circle. Bumping Quake. What up, Quake? And we got Quack Quack. I'm all in my feelings. All in my feelings. Just me and my millions. Just me and my millions. Give it up to the awesome mix sticks. DJ and equipment at Gucci Man Studios. Just me and my millions. We all in our feelings. All in our feelings. Me and my millions. Oh man, that nigga DJ and equipment just on my dopeness. He got that dopeness. We just chillin'. We just chillin'. Me and my millions. Me and my millions. Me and my millions. Me. The choir get in. Me and my millions. Me and my millions. Me and my millions. All in our feelings. Me and my millions. Me and my millions. All in our feelings. Just chilling, hanging out with my millions. I called my grandmama up. You know why? Cause I was deep in my feelings, and I felt like chilling. I grabbed me a Benny, cause it was no big dealin'. Just beaming through the hood. What up, though, with it? What up, though, with it? What up, though, with it? You got Carl Monday Rooster clocking in on you. What up, though, with it? What up, though, with it? What up, though, with it? Hey, y'all, I'm messing with y'all because I ain't got no radio station. So if I had radio, I'd be definitely jamming. Since I ain't got no radio, I had to make my own. See, if my auntie went to work, I can get some money before she go. If her car out here, we'll be $20 richer, boy. Boop, boop. Boop, boop. FBI, I see the look in your eye. I know you want me to cry. FBI, I'm saving your life. You want me for a trophy, right? FBI, I see the look in your eye. I see the look in your eye. I see the look in your eye. When you're looking at me passing you by. And you in the car that's fly, FBI. Why you wanna dot me in my eye? Why you wanna dot me in my eye? FBI. Why you wanna stop a nigga try? Why you wanna stop a nigga try? FBI. I got 15 cent. They like, if you don't get it, that'll make the nigga rich. 15 cent, nigga. Cause you know I'll take that 15 cent and I'll make it do a wop wop, do a wheelie yo. Nigga jumping up off this hood like we silly yo. So I went and got the dashboard numbers. I'm trying to find out the name of the owner that owned McDonald's on 118th Street and Northwest 7th Avenue. The United States federal government is occupied by terrorists right now, so they don't want to cooperate. It seems like the prophets is going after corruption in the government and being underhanded by the Christian bandits. Hey Christians, how y'all doing today? I like the way y'all say, we'll spit in your food. Let's chapter that. Did the Christians really spit in Jesus Christ's food? Is that like a Christian movement? Because I know they said they threw things at him. They spit in his face. I asked one Christian, why did he do that during a donation service? He said because he was a Democrat. He was a part of the Democratic service. I ain't tell him that Christians ain't Democrats. I just walked away. I think Jesus was a Democrat his second election. No, when he started like Trump and Nancy, when he started out like Benjamin, he was still determining his construction patterns. Once he built it, he went for himself. My black people that persecute blacks in the justice system, they persecute that black man that's determining he went for himself. No, my brother, you went for yourself. That's why you being persecuted by the law. It's not because you are black. We're black. See? We helped this white man kidnap you because you kidnap others. We helped this white man lie on you, Mr. Douglas, because you lied on others. So it's only Yahweh, not Yahweh, I doubt they use Yahweh. Jehovah, I doubt they use Jehovah. Whatever name they be using, man, I don't, let them speak, they be hot. Go into these churches, label these churches as the prisons that they are. The greatest story was told was a separation of church from state. And the black people was like, see, it's two against you now. The Bible and God says you doing wrong. And then the police knocking at my door. That police knocking at my door said you doing wrong. So you doing something not right. And it's like, if both devils is mad at me, at the same time, would that mean maybe I'm making them look bad? Is that what that means? I'm being honest to myself. I'm not wearing a mask. I'm not sucker breeding the people. I'm saying you don't need no religion if you looking for me. Hey, my mama and them people. What's up, y'all? Going to pick, I should have got a ride. Picked up some little disobedient, artistic, handicapped people with like $7,000 a month a piece or something coming. Them kids be having so much money. Man, we just vacation time every day. We going to another vacation. Where we going? Cause you know when the nigga like Bill Cosby, the Hustable clan come through with the foundation, the Reading Rainbow Foundation. Oh my, all the world in the fun, all the fun in the world. And you got the kids, they mamas, the babysitters, they daddies, they sisters, brothers. We flying to India, Tokyo, Japan. I got 12 kids. Each one getting about $2,500 from the government. Then they getting stamps. Then they getting Medicaid, life insurance, health care plans, hugs and kisses and donations. Nigga, we shooting rainbow colors everywhere we go. Every day. Reading rainbow. Where we going today? The school? No, we going to the zoo. All right. I can't. Just detouring right off track straight to this aquarium. Go anywhere. Take a look. It's in the book. Reading Rainbow. Reading Rainbow. Guess who pulled up with the kids? Hey, it's Mr. Flavor Love. What's up, Mr. Flavor Love, homeboy? What's up with it, though, with it? Oh, man, you got it, man. You got it, man. They thought I was a babysitter or something. Boy, I'm a ex-Vietnam surviving vet. And this a little bus spaceship. Nigga, we got Marty. We got Aunt Pops bringing in them. Bringing in them lunches for us. Yeah, everywhere we go. Man, I don't know what kind of life these people living in these churches and in these courthouses. They selling y'all a dream. And all y'all blacks is buying them like fiends, dope heads to these people dreams. Every time you go in this court system, you believe in the law or you believe in getting something from this law. It's two people. Believing in the law, that means you believe in only the visions that they want you to believe, the white visions. Because if you believe that for 1 second, the police, the judge, the prosecutor is not just as active in that crime that they prosecuting as they say the defendant is, you're wrong. All these crimes belong to these devils. Just like the man said, give to them what's theirs. Crime, nigga, is the justice systems. Give it to them. That's theirs. Criminal, defendant, that's theirs. You're not a criminal defendant. You natural. You're not a government. You're not a government stamp. You're not a government device, property. Was you breaking the law when the police arrested you? Police was breaking your law. Your citizens break your law. You break your law. Your church break your law. Let's wait 10 seconds inside this building and see if we can come up with 100 laws broke inside of this building in 10 seconds. Them devils will be quiet. So how you gonna judge a native Indian and say this man broke the law when you can't even not say you ain't broke the law? Just today, breaking the law. What's breaking the law to a judge? Ignoring a crime. If a judge ignoring the commission of a crime, she's just as in violation as well, being that she's high status and swore an oath. Unlike a native Indian who swore no oath to this Constitution, the judge swore an oath to fight for the justice of all the laws to be upheld, and if she find out it's being broke, she got to report it. Lead an investigation to have it stopped. The government gassing me up so bad. It's hard for me to breathe. They just flying past me, just laying gas in the air. I'm suffocating. like the theme of the Black Panther Party. The Black Panther Party is inspirational. They're inspirational towards me due to the fact that they fought against corruption as natives. Now the natives, native Indians of the land, then formulated like a semi-quasi-nation of Islamic movement, which is just a visual of the government, which is what they call the Black Panther Party, which is the natives visualizing, putting together a visual that the government had, which is like an army. The Americans have an army, so a native responding in the imagery, like the 48 Laws of Power, is to produce an imagery of that image you attacking. Black Panther Party is an imagery that was created by the natives of the land of the United States government. It was dope. I liked it. Black men getting together and put a plan together to fight the evilnesses inside of the government. Now, where do that live on today? Clifford Singleton and two others chopping it and chilling. Alright, make sure I get some broccoli, some cabbage, 2 big dumb blueberry corn muffins, some greens. Make it work, make it work. Make a nigga wanna do the erky jerk. I'm out here giving all praise due to the Most High Allah in the sky, on the ground, everywhere, be found, looking up, never down. This is my life, all around. I feel if I die, a Christian did it. I feel like if I die, a Christian did it. Why do I say a Christian? Because that's the only word for a government outside of its operative clothing. Still formulating one nation in a body. One nation in a body. Their mind is a Christian mind state, so they take the Bible with them in their mind and heart. The Bible confirms what's going on within the justice system. The Bible confirms that the quote is, if you lie, you will be lied to. It says that the cursed people will be persecuted and condemned by the Almighty Your Honor Judge. The Almighty Your Honor Judge in the sky will say that if you steal, we'll steal your rights too. So therefore, when you go into the court of law as a black defendant or defendant and they cheating you, that's their Christian religion. That's them practicing their God, praising God, the devil. The God, the devil do works too, right? If you believe in this and you know this is true, then why lie to me and you? Why try to deny me when I tell you that they God is the devil? Then if you deny me, then you can't stop when you get mad and it start happening to you. Nah, just keep on denying me. God is their devil, and that's the truth. So if they praying with you, you praying with them. I didn't tell you not to stop. I didn't tell you to stop. I just said, know who you praying with. Know what they praying to. If they got to lie, cheat, and steal from you, they will do it in the name of their God. And you will be the devil. You will be the cursed one. So, therefore, that side that they pick is something sacred. What the Middle Easterns and foreigners say, Americans call it they white side. Look at this nice looking building right here. Landscaping by Pops. Landscaping Service, Olivia, 786-523-8523. So you know they hire in the community, so check them out. Might get some work. Charge your fizzy, getting Lizzy. Faux shizzy, my nizzy. Alright, y'all, I'm about this hizzy. I gotta go charge this fizzy because it's getting lizzy.